What's up guys, welcome to East West Beats, and today we're going to talk about melodies. There's a lot of noise on YouTube on how to make effective melodies, how to make crazy melodies, how to make trap melodies, how to make XYZ melodies, how to make any kind of things, right? There's a lot of videos and noise on YouTube, but let me tell you one thing. The one thing that everyone needs to know is music theory. The key word is music theory. If you don't know your music theory, you don't know a minor from a major, you don't know a root or a fifth, or you don't know your chords, you're not going to make effective melodies on your own, and you're always going to be reliant and handicapped on the melody packs that are available online. Don't get me wrong, those packs are not bad. You can use them for inspiration, but when push comes to shove, you want to be able to make your own melodies. A lot of the times the melody packs that you get from the internet, you need to pay royalties if you end up using them in your songs. So why give your portion of the production away to someone else when you can make those melodies? I get it that it's hard, but there's YouTube nowadays, there's music theory nowadays, there's free classes on Coursera nowadays, there's free online content available. There's community college that's available. I took a community college course after 10 years of music production because I wanted to learn how to sight read. Did sight reading make me a better composer? Definitely not. But what it did give me is it exposed me to more music, it exposed me to theory, it exposed me to diminish and sustain chords, which I did not know or understand from YouTube as much. And even if I did, it was more numerical and shortcut methods, but I did not get deep into it. And you need to know music theory. It may sound harsh to some of you guys and you may feel discouraged, but let me tell you something. If you know your music theory, you're actually more free and you're not reliant on other people. I wanted to make this short video because there's a lot of noise online on people doing vlogs and people doing videos on how to make crazy melodies, but 99% of those videos are just people clicking around the piano roll to see what sounds good. There's nothing wrong with that, but if you start off knowing music theory and if you put something effective down and then you go into the piano roll and tweak it, you have a better chance of success in making good melodies. You're not handicapped. Again, what I want to get across is I don't want people to be handicapped on a melody pack. It's great for inspiration. Splice is great. But again, those things exist because a lot of people want to do this the easy way out. They don't want to learn music. They don't want to learn music theory. And you know, it's the one thing you can do to yourself as a music producer is to learn music theory. And if you don't know it, go on YouTube and search what a major scale is, what a minor scale is. Learn that stuff. It's really going to be effective, and you may not get it at the moment you listen to it, you watch it, but do your favor. Give yourself 5 minutes a day to watch a video on music theory. I don't mean to make this sound like a lecture, but I subscribe to a lot of these YouTubers as well just to see what kind of content is being created, and a lot of the content is crap. It's garbage. It's just for consumption, and a lot of times we end up consuming a lot of knowledge, but you know, knowledge actually turns into something when you practice, when you put it in practice, right? Watching a video on how to make effective melodies is not going to be helpful. In fact, this video probably won't be helpful, but you know what this is helpful for is pointing you in the right direction of learning music theory. So I hope you guys got something out of it. Again, didn't mean to make this sound like a lecture, but I saw a lot of noise and I wanted to perhaps help clear a mind or two and get those people towards music theory. So once again, subscribe to my channel if you like the content. If you don't like the video, leave a comment. If you like it, leave a comment. And let me know what kind of content and videos you guys want to see, and we will talk soon.